Hello my classics! I am back again to do another video. Now everybody knows that I like to mess around with my eyebrows a lot. And right now something that's actually, I'm kind of surprised, coming back around in popularity are those rainbow eyebrows. Now back when they were here the first time, I wasn't doing YouTube stuff, I wasn't doing any videos or anything, so I never tried it. But I thought it looked kind of cool. Now, one of the things that I saw some people using, including Nikki Tutorials, who I am subscribed to because she's pretty awesome, is she uses those Kat Von D colored pomades, but I don't have those. And when I looked up the prices, I'm not getting them. They're a little on the spendy side for me. Sorry. I'm just going to take my palette and I'm going to try to stick with the primary colors and then like blend. I'm going to do my best. So I have my blue squid face painting palette. Normally my brows are just whoop whoop done. The laziest brows I could do. That's not going to be the case today. We're actually going to put effort into this face. So we got to wet the brush. And I guess I'll start like how I've seen several people, where you start in the middle of a brow. It's probably usually easier if you actually know what you're doing when it comes to brows. Try to use the yellow and kind of blend that into the red, which turned out a little bright for me. Now we're gonna grab some blue. Blend that in. Let's slap a fail sticker on that. Okay, I just used an eyeshadow primer from my brows. Now I'm in my Color Burst palette, as kind of per a lot of my norm. In case you're wondering, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just like blending rainbowy colors together. Alright. Now to kind of lay some groundwork for this other side. Literally just using some basic colors, making myself look like a clown and a little ridiculous. Green, ha! Remember that? It was fun. There we go. Now I'm just taking some white eyeshadow and like using that to blend the colors together. I only used a couple colors in here. I used this green, the yellow, and I used this blue up here. And then I used the red and I added a little maroon on top of that. And I will admit, I touched into the orange just a smidge to kind of give it that nice gradient movement. So I'll zoom you in. Alright everybody, I really hope you liked this because actually it was a lot of fun. Do I suggest rainbowing your eyebrows? Oh yeah, actually, because this was fun. I'm not going anywhere today. But that doesn't mean that I didn't enjoy this. So if you liked this video, even though it's not clean cut and it's most certainly not an elegant rainbow, but it certainly is the first time I've ever done something like this, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, because I'm posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sorry for missing Monday, I wasn't feeling well. A whole nother story. I changed my mind. Sorry. We're a couple hours later and I'm getting ready to edit the video. Please ignore the mess of my bedroom. I've decided I am going to show you in this video why I didn't film anything from Monday. Here we go. As you know, our flooring has been this kind of a grayish blue carpet. Well, in the living room, we tore up the grayish blue carpet and discovered that even though they're awfully rough and they definitely need some love, we have some lovely hardwood floors. Apparently these floors are throughout the house, especially into the bedrooms and into the hallway. And each weekend we are going to be ripping an area up. That way we don't overdo it. But we did this because in the time frame of only a few months, these children have spilled so much milk into that carpet, which is why I hate carpet to begin with, because you spill something and no matter how hard you scrub, it's there forever. Well, these kids worked so hard to destroy that carpet that we needed to get rid of it. So that's where we were at. That's what we were doing.
I have a choo-choo train in my mouth like that, though. I'm sleeping, I do it like that.
Alrighty then. So that's what we've been up to, and I thank you all for your patience while I miss a day here and there. On the one hand, I'm not going to strain myself to the point where I'll make myself sick because I got these guys to worry about first. And on the other hand, I am trying to make sure that the videos that I put out are actually pretty good. And believe it or not, the version of the rainbow eyebrows you'll see is actually the third one that I recorded, because the first two were so bad. I might keep one of the bad ones in, maybe the first option of it, because today I've spent all day rainbowing up my face because I like rainbows. I like pretty things like that. I can't help it. It's a human thing. We're drawn to color. So, thank you. Bye, see you, love you. Always seek another. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all.
I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.